5 times Brian Griffin acted like a dog in Family Guy. In Season 6, Episode 9, James Woods ends up tying Brian to a post outside where he chased a squirrel.
What the hell? This rope was a lot longer and now it's somehow gotten shorter.
In Season 17, Episode 4, we saw Brian eating the leftovers on the table in like the way a dog would. In Season 5, Episode 7, Brian gets all hyped up when he spots another dog in the car next to him.
Other dog! You!
In Season 7, Episode 11, Meg throws a cross for Brian to fetch, but Brian refuses to give it back. In Season 9, Episode 2, Brian can't resist the urge to look in the brown paper food bag.
No!
Ah, oh well.